I'm sure you love your motorcycle and get really annoyed when your plates get bent like this. At Vardenchi, we have a great solution for it. These are the parts of the rear Magnum casing: the aluminum bezel, the sheet metal backplate, the rubber packings and the fasteners. These are the parts of the front Magnum casing: the aluminum bezel, the backplate, the rubber packings and the fasteners. These are compatible with a range of motorcycles out there like the Honda Unicorn, the V-Storm, Royal Enfield range, and that's why there are multiple holes and fitments to suit the different motorcycles. Check for compatibility before you buy Magnum casings for your motorcycle. The casings are aluminum die-cast and completely CNC machined for a very high finish. They are coated in the PP prismatic powder coat, and there's a laser engraving for the branding down here. Gives it a really premium and a really finished look to your overall motorcycle. The back plates are super durable, ensuring a very long life of this part on your motorcycle. The motorcycle manufacturer has designed a great looking motorcycle and a very high level of finish for its components. But this, however, is not a component which is manufactured by the motorcycle manufacturer. This is an aftermarket number plate prescribed by the RTO, and there's very little control that the motorcycle manufacturer has over this, and hence the quality doesn't always match the premium motorcycle that you're buying. Now this is how your number plates look with the Vardenchi Magnum casing. They add a very premium appeal to your motorcycle and a very high finish and an elegant look. They also protect your number plates from getting bent and add a higher level of security for these high security plates. The fitment can be done directly at the dealership when you're buying the motorcycle, and in that case you do not need to drill 2 holes in this number plate to fit it, and you can avoid that slightly untidy look of the plates. It gives a very clean look because this is how it is secured. The back plate secures onto your motorcycle, the rubber packings and the plates fit thereafter, and the bezel on top. The installation is really simple and happens in a matter of minutes. Let me show you how. When you're riding such a beautiful motorcycle and you love it so much, please don't compromise and use a cheaper plastic alternative. Use a premium product like this and make sure it matches your motorcycle.